Have you ever wondered, can houseplants really harm us while we sleep? Sleeping in the same room as your houseplants might be dangerous? It's a common belief, but how true is it? During the day, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen through a process called photosynthesis. It's one of the beautiful ways nature supports life on Earth. But at night, the story changes. Without sunlight, photosynthesis stops, and like us, plants begin to breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So, should we worry about sharing our bedroom with a few plants? Let's take a closer look. Plants perform two essential processes: cellular respiration and photosynthesis. These are completely different from one another. All living cells, including those in plants, need oxygen to stay alive. They use this oxygen to burn food molecules, like sugars, and generate energy. This respiration happens 24/7, even when it's dark. But during daylight, photosynthesis kicks in. Using sunlight and chlorophyll, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen into the air. So during the day, both respiration and photosynthesis occur, and the result is a net gain of oxygen in your environment. At night with no light, photosynthesis stops, but respiration continues. This means plants take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, just like we do when we breathe. Now here's where perspective matters. An average adult breathes around 11,000 liters of air every day. With each breath, we use only about 5 or 6% of the oxygen we inhale. So, the actual amount of oxygen we consume daily is roughly 570 liters. In contrast, the amount of carbon dioxide released by a few potted plants overnight is negligible compared to the volume of air in a typical room. In fact, during the day, your plants contribute more oxygen than the small amount of carbon dioxide they release at night. So, are houseplants harmful? Not really. Unless you're sleeping in a tiny airtight room packed wall to wall with giant jungle plants, there's nothing to worry about. Instead of fearing your plants, be grateful. They're not just decorative. They're living air purifiers and quiet companions that bring a touch of nature indoors. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.